leave me as a slave in my own brother's house.
Okay, no so no made. Almost a woman.
I only house chores. I only here. So me and Rula, my people should be changing here. This house cannot contain the three of us. Me and Molu. So talk to her.
One got always to high on there. Fun hang out. What do I want to tell you? What's a map? What's a nigga? We all long that dome, but she not doing my answer. Zahana. Okay, Mulamana Kachila. One of the war, over. Just all of us in Coda, he did don't over here one man, such as you by them. News and Zahana. Quite a while was it? Zahana. Okay, Mulamana Kachila.
This is by far the longest 9 months I have ever experienced. It seems like 2 years. Every day I check my calendar. Every day I check dates. Every day. Anyway. Okay. It's well. This is by far the longest 9 months I have ever experienced. It seems like 2 years.
Morning guys, welcome guys. How you doing? Hope you're good. Yeah, I'm at work. ECOWAS. Is it ECOWAS? ECOWAS. Okay. ECOWAS, yes. Let me see the voice one before I'll go and type something like that. Yeah, please give me the ECOWAS. Who will go ECOWAS? Yeah, my good people on YouTube, good morning, good afternoon, good night, depending on where you're watching me from. How you doing? Oh my God. How? All right, guys, I have a problem with my socket here and it's stripping off. But let me see how far this internet can go. I need to go and on it. Follow me. Let me leave the door open. You guys are looking at my studio. I have to go on the light too. And you see I'm editing. ECOWAS, Economic Commission of West African countries, is it SCOM, as in Special Control Unit for Money Laundering, or what? No need the ECOWAS like that. That is it visa or whatever. Can't visa now. Visa or ECOWAS like I couldn't be there. Happy? Yeah. All right. So I'm back. Sorry guys. That's what we face sometimes. I don't know what's wrong with the power breaker. Before you know, bang, it will trip off. Before you know, to come back again. So it's giving me stress, but I got no choice. I have to do it. If it goes off again, I have to go get it. Go get it and on it.
Why for who? Because come all by year by her.
Oof. Wow. I'm editing. If you want to join me, see, I'm editing. Wait, also hang out. What do I tell you? Put them up, what's the nigga? We are long, but don't push my doom address. Zahana. Okay, Mulamana Kachila.
I didn't like that thing. I didn't like our work. Come here, Gaga. I don't try to Gaga. That's it. I'm sound. I only want a young couple. Yes, yeah.
So, this is at work editing. Some people don't even want to see editing, they want to see me. Oh, my people want to see me. This is a problem with me. If I change any soap that I'm using, it will affect my face. Let's know where you're watching us from. What do I tell you? What's an app? What's the nigga? We are long, but don't push my doom address. Zahana. Okay, Mulamana Kachila.
Live on TikTok.
Hey, TikTok,
Telegram.
TikTok, where they give money.
At Telegram, they give money.
No. Telegram, wait.
Live on
On YouTube. Telegram, where they want? Why?
Screen burn, I'm going to spend 50,000 per chi. I want it. What to do 200?
Connor now 180.
I want you on another person. I got 180,000 in half. I have him, they don't know. I can't scream that he didn't change it. Because that screen was okay now. Only that.